What up, everybody? You ready to go to a car show? Hurricane Katrina just daggum dropped by to say hello like 30 minutes ago, but we don't freaking care about that junk. We're going because the last like 3 weeks got canceled to this bullcrap. We got a dash cam, and Brandon knows more about my dash cam than I do, so we won't have to record the whole way there. So we got a dash cam. I cannot
believe this junk works.
Yeah, the freaking cigarette outlet works, if you can believe that crap. And so here goes nothing. We're going freaking straight through town with it. I just started it. I haven't even test drove it.
No recovery plan if we break down.
Yeah, no recovery clan. No recovery clan. Recovery clan's on vacation. So we do got the dash cam. I apologize if the footage is dookie. If it's too
he puts
dookie,
it right in the center of the freaking windshield. Yeah. Not the top, not the side. Right.
Nah, bro. You got to get a point of view.
All right, you good? All right,
I'm good. We're going.
Oh, he's following you in that orange Mustang.
Oh, cool. I'm not giving it gas. It's not like I got a lumpy cam. This might work in our favor.
There's raw painting.
Hey, I need y'all to move, actually.
Alright, come on. Get out of the way. Don't make the car stall and embarrass us.
Perfect. Oh, I won't. Believe me, I won't, bro. I've been through this before, and I'll be through it again.
No, I was talking about the people that were walking.
Oh, no, I'm like throttling it right now as I'm hitting the brake.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if it dies now. Now I feel safe. Alright, guys, we freaking made it. The car started pitching a fit and acting up and acting like it was going to die on idle on the way here. So that's freaking fantastic. But we made it. We got live music, and we're going to enjoy us a car show. The turnout could be better because it did rain for like an hour beforehand, but I'm just glad we freaking made it, to be honest, and didn't break down in the middle of the daggum road. Bro, I'm stuck between two nice cars and this piece of junk. This thing is freaking nice, bro. I mean, this thing is fast as spray. Dude, that thing is crammed in there. Holy moly.
32 valve, is that 4 valves or something?
I think that's a Ford engine. Yeah, it has a snake on it. And Lincoln seats, Lincoln interior. Bro, my grandma had a car that the inside looked like this. Oh, that's cool. Dude, it's like the same car twice. engine, everything, 340. That's pretty cool. Dude, this car is so nice.
Amen, amen. A bit late. I'd like to let you know that these folks here sing all over the world, all over the United States, and they do a lot of work for you. The donation spot right up front, but they don't ask for a dime. They just ask for a dime. It does take a lot to run these trucks. How many believe that?
Dude, my car does not fit in at all. Dude, usually there's like, when it's popular, or when there's a huge, super huge turnout, there's like a lot. There's like a lot more, like, how do you say this? Rough rides, petite. I wouldn't say clapped. I would say like
Ratty muscle.
Yeah, like rat cars. You know what I mean? But it's pretty much just me today. So that's great. Also, peep the new shirts. Let us know down in the comments if you would order one of these. We're trying to get a big order of these in. We want to know how many of y'all would get one of these. Show them the shirt, Brandon. Little spin? Yes, sir. From parts to Pontiac. Let's get it.
About to take back off. Car looks like it's cooled down a bit. We're gonna get on home with it.
Let's see how she starts.
Come on.
Yeah. Better than nothing.
He acts like I won't bounce it off the rev limiter. Ah. You hear this fat cam?
Hey, there's your subscriber right there.
Yeah, we'll have to get on that side. One wheel pill.
It's smoking it pretty good.
Yeah, smoking tailpipes, not tires. We'll have to get on that side. One wheel pill.
Well, it's smoking it pretty good.
Yeah, smoking tailpipes, not tires.
See, like that, the low, like very first torque isn't that bad.
Yeah, not at all.
Oh, we should have gone out of Lowe's so we could drive by them.
Oh,
I'm gonna spin around. I'm spinning around.
Oh,
yeah. Well, I need to double record this junk. Two cameras,
double recording. If it wasn't, if I didn't know like everyone there, oh, I would have burned them.
smoked the.
Oh yeah, I'll never ignore a burnout cry. See, it's just idling like it's got a freaking cam in it.
Hey, no
Oh,
one
you hear
complained.
that?
You're shaking the car.
Oh wait, I want to go. Oh, come on, brakes. Come on,
Brake.
I so loaded and not any brakes. Nobody don't be cutting up in front of me because I will hit you.
We got no brakes.
Oh, we got brakes.
No, I know.
But there ain't no locking it down. You know, people be like, I locked it down. There ain't none of that on here. This is full brakes. That's not
Oh
bad.
man, that is.
There ain't no locking it down.
What do you call it? A suggestion wheel before that suggestion brakes?
Suggestion wheel and suggestion brakes. The suggestion wheel's fixed. It actually does pretty good now.
Yeah, because the lug nuts are torqued.
really fearing for my life. And yeah, the turnout would have been better if it wasn't like that, but I'll take what I can get.
Yeah.
Any car show better than no car show. Hey, what up, twin? Subscribe to the YouTube. He's eyeballing my car. All right, guys, we're gonna race this Prius.
Clunk, 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 clunk.
Clunk, clunk, clunk. Well, now it's back to running normal. A spot of bad gas in it. My brakes are doing something. This thing would rather die than downshift. Like it went in a second and there was no bringing it back. I floored it, it wouldn't downshift. Really like second gear.
Yeah.
It doesn't want to go.
It was in second gear almost the whole time in all the test drives.
Yeah.
It's like you manually shifted it down into second and
Yeah.
it was already there.
I just left it. Who left the fog machine on?
Yeah, stop.
What are we stopping for? What are we stopping about? Why?
What the?
Bro, kids on hoverboards?
No way.
Don't be afraid to stick the camera at them as we go by. Double recording. Kids on a hoverboard. And a scooter. He's pushing the dude on a scooter.
Dang, the sunset looks crazy on my phone camera.
I bet it does. One deer would total this thing. So.
Oh no.
Oh, it's milking. Oh, it's getting milk from mom. Hello, pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Man, look at that.
The darkness.
Dog. Blackout.
The headlights situation is not good.
Oh my god, they're non-existent.
There should be brights up in here somewhere. Shoo! Did we make it or did we make it? First car show for the Firebird, complete. And hey, she wasn't the prettiest girl at the party, but she made it. And that is what counts. It's all about the projects. So don't be afraid to bring your project out on the road. And remember, if we can do it, you can freaking do it. That's going to be all for this one. Like I said, follow along for more, and we will see you guys in the next one.